Good luck, senor. Buena suerte. See if we can keep the out of tens or less coming. They're forcing me to come on tomorrow. I don't want to come on tomorrow night. 2022 Chronicles Racing. Good luck, Damon. Buena suerte. Red, Jade Buford. Red rookie. 71 of 99. Cole Custer, base autograph. Now we got Daniel Dye, not numbered. I think it's just you and me. You and me, kid. Blue, Quinn Hoff. 110 of 199. And Deegan, Ryan Ellis, and Daniel Suarez. 31 of 49. Santino Ferrucci, not numbered. 16 of 25. Brandon Brown. Pinnacle. We got a silver Jeff Gordon, not numbered. Space, Kyle Busch, and Santino Ferrucci. Obsidian autograph. Daniel Dye, 84 of 100. Brad Moffitt, silver. 199 of 199. Riley Herbst, blue. Haley Deegan, Spectra. And Tyler Ankrum. Oops. Tyler Ankrum, rookie. Not numbered. Dylan Hart Jr., not numbered. We guaranteed a jumbo patch in the previous Chronicles. Bubba Wallace, silver. We got Sammy Smith, 98 of 99. And Kurt Busch, tired. Race used tired. Tired. Auto of this box. 38 of 199. Bubba Wallace. Larson, Ty Gibbs, Zamora, and Kaz Garza, Pinnacle autograph. Oh, sorry, Kaz Grala, Pinnacle autograph. I filled that in with the black marker, the little west spot. And Martin Truex Jr., not numbered. Box number goes. Oh, out of 25 again. Red, Denny Hamlin, 30 of 99. Truex, Natalie Decker, Sammy Smith, 56 of 99, and William Byron out of 25 again. Clear Vision, 7 of 25. Terrible box. Let's see if we can pick it up here. Blue, Austin Dillon, 20 of 199. Natalie Decker, and Santino Ferrucci. Zenith rookie autograph. This guy seems to be all over the product. Stephen Parsons. Silver, Jimmy Johnson. Wait, make sure it's silver. Got the number. Base. We got a blue, Dale Earnhardt Jr., 88 of 199. BJ McLeod, And Austin Dillon, not numbered. David Johnson, silver. Base red, Jade Buford, 31 of 99. And Kyle Busch, 11 of 25. Might be sheet metal on there. I think it's tired. Yeah. Kyle Busch. Jade Buford, not numbered. $79.99, Kyle Larson. Silver, Danny Hamlin, not numbered. Base. Autograph is John Hunter Nemechek. 2 of 10, gold. And for a long ass name, he sure did keep that all on the sticker. And Corey Haim. $53 of 199, Kaz Gralla. Martin Truex Jr. silver. Oh, if I got one, Carl Edwards. 2 of 25. And Derek Cross. Chronicles autograph. 2 Chronicles autographs. We got Richard Petty. Damn. Kyle Busch. That's an old school Richard Petty photo. Folks, not numbered. All right, come on, monster autograph in the last box. Stay. That one's out. That's the fat one. Sure, this is a fat. The other ones. Silver, William Byron. Blue, 49 of 199, Natalie Decker. And Kurt Busch. More Busch family. This is tire, race use tire. Yes, let's see a 101. Blue, Todd Gilliland, 61 of 199. Space, William Byron, and Stephen Parsons, 25 of 99. Tony Stewart, not numbered. John Hunter Nemechek, not numbered, silver. 3 of 99, Jade Buford. And Josh Bilecki. Denny Hamlin. One of the old Chronicles, you were guaranteed a 1-of-1 fat card or 1-of-1 pack. Guess they must have changed that up this year. 122 of 199, Tony Stewart. Chase Elliott, silver. Jeff Gordon and Matt Mills. Jeff Gordon not numbered. Matt Mills, Obsidian autograph. You think when they come race to California, they're going to have to use electric cars? Like, no. You can't race with gas cars here in 2035. I race with electric cars. I'm rollout. Truex Jr. Got Corey Haim, 1 of 25. Decker, Jade Buford, and Dale Earnhardt Jr., 3 of 5 in the world. No 101. That leaves a 3 of 5. All right. 84 of 99. Brandon Brown. Silver, Ricky Stenhouse. Christopher Bell, Dale Earnhardt Jr., and Kyle Weatherman. Oh, you're going to like the next one, too. $34 of 100. Tony Bradinger. Clear Vision rookie. Oh. 2 Tonys. Well, that's your made up for the last 3 boxes. Those 2 cards. That last box made up for the last 3. Yeah. Jersey match. What do they call? What do they say? Color match, jersey match, fire suit match. I don't know. I don't think it's done purposefully. I think the blue is just because of their colors. They try to match them. Some sort of level. I'm glad we didn't leave the last 3 boxes there. I can try to come up with the number, but I don't have a full case.